That's ready, Nick. Tonight's the test run. Everything's working good. I have no... Got a little gore drop. My anvil's got some wear on it. It's welded back together, but works good. Show you, it heats this up. I'll stick this rod in here. Seconds. Hey! Tomorrow I'll show you some outside footage. My workshop.
91.7 Giant FM. You're listening to the Rock and Roll Saturday Night. Brought to you by Wine Place, 3770 Montrose Road, Niagara Falls.
Alrighty here. Just a real quick video. I'm showing you my stove here. I'm trying to get it lit here. This is my new, I moved indoors. Let me get a couple pieces of coal. I'm using my wife's blow dryer until I pick up a better air source, but this works fine. So I've had this torch blowing on it here for just a few minutes. I probably could pull it away already, but I'm going to give it a couple more minutes. I'm going to take you outside and just give you a look at the outside now. Alrighty. Here's what I'm dealing with here. Right there. She's working. I've got it insulated where it's a couple areas really close to the barn with fire break insulation. I made my own thimble for it because I just couldn't dump the $380 they wanted down at the store. So it's working really well. Barely gets warm. Go back in here and finish showing you it. See how it's burning. It's probably about ready that I could stop actually. Just wanted to get one more good burn with it here tonight. I built this all myself. Hood here, welded up. This is an 1/8 inch thick steel The main forge is 3/16 inch. There's my inside view of my thimble I built. It's working really well. So that's all for right now. I'm going to get it going, then I'll be back. Got my fire really going well here. I'm probably going to back down my heat 1 notch because it's really, see if we can settle her down a little bit more. But as you can see, we got a really nice fire going here. Take a walk out here real quick and show you what it's looking like out here. Stove's working really nice. There's the cap. Alrighty. Here's my fire going nicely. I can still touch the wall behind this. I'm going to add some more insulation just to be safe, but it's going really well.